Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is how to really the only time you'd ever use this if you're sending a photo to a customer to show them what it looks like on different woods. I just went on the internet and got a piece of walnut off the internet, and I'm a woodworker, and that's really close. So there's two ways you could go about this to show the customer what it would look like. This is your size of your plaque, let's say. There's your wood you brought in from the internet. Go up to Effects, Power Clip, place inside frame, and put it inside there. Then go to Arrange and put back of page. Then you can take your engraved part and show them what it would look like. Now the other way you could do that, well, let's just leave it there and let's see if, well, it's probably not going to let me use it. Let's make a duplicate of that, and I'm using somebody else's file because that's why the offset is set. So we'll see them both side by side. You need to put it in the back of the page so your letters will show up. Now the other way to do it would be to take this, get your eyedropper tool, and color that. See, it's even changing, so get what you kind of want. And then take your bucket tool and put it there. So that's the color of walnut. Then you could actually take that color, which is right here now, and you kind of added it to it. You could change it. But what we could do is fill this in right here. Let's go get the eyedropper tool back and get a part of the walnut we want. And that did not work. So it would work like that. But if you do the other and power clip that, and you actually get grains of wood. Now, with that said, you can actually change this color. If you will get over and let's say, let's want a little more red in it, hold down the control key, and with your left mouse button, we're adding red to the deal. Let's say we want a little blue, we want a little yellow, and that looks pretty good like wood. So then you could use that same color on anything you wanted by getting the, and you could duplicate that color throughout your work. So just be thinking about that whenever you have a color like this brown, hold down the control button and let's make it a little darker. And you can see side by side how that works. Anyway, I really like the power clipping one. That looks pretty good, and that would show good for a customer. Now I have the good opportunity where I could take a picture of the wood pre-hand and show them what it would look like on their piece of wood. But this is, you can't get any closer than that, really. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.